So, Deepika, how it has worked a lot when I speak at the XIC, for example, and or some voices and similar questions keep coming up.
Right.
Earlier, there was somebody who asked me about qualification, and as a fresher, what do I do? What are they looking for? What are the corporate expectations, and all of that, right? And I think I've answered that in fair detail.
Yeah.
It will get easier for you, since you're a faculty at Wellinker, to segregate people. So suppose you have a batch of, say, 50 people, right? And it doesn't matter what the sizes of each groups. You divide them into, say, 10 groups. And then you say that this group's segmentation is by saying that what is your sector interest that you've got.
Correct.
And I can tell you, maximum guy will say marketing, consumer, advertising, digital and marketing and social media space. So because that's where the new horizon is going forward, right? They don't want to be in a very unsexy place. They want to be in a very sexy place. They want to be a place where sector is growing and therefore higher salaries and higher career growth, etc. And which is but natural. So you first identify that. Match that with the qualification, what they've come earlier. So whether they've done the BA, BCom, whether they've done BMM or engineers or whatever, right? You match that. So you will, by filter, take off the enthusiasts, and say, hang on, you're an engineer, your left brain is working very well. I think you should be in this, or you should be in this sector. It could be automobile, it could be telecom, it could be, whatever. Try and segregate that out in order of preferences. So one guy will have, say, at least one or two sectors. He will not say one sector, he might have two sectors, even three. Once you segregate that out, it's easier for you to then say, in these two sectors, these are the 15 companies that you should look at. Right? And obviously everybody chooses the best. So don't do that. Look at entrepreneurs. Look at a company that's not really a startup, but supposing which has got a angel funding and got a VC, say 2 rounds of VC. So 3 years, 4 years into the system, right? Where they've got some funding. So the ideas might work better. So even look at startups, look at middle management companies, look at top companies. Once you have that triangle and the pyramid with you, it's easier for him to then study those companies, right? Study it. And then go for the interviews or, apply and then, whatever it happens. He'll be a much better person to interact with. And what do I want? If I'm looking at an MBA student, so I'll say, okay, I'll look at the qualification, find decent grades, etc. And then I will talk to that person. And if I see some kind of domain knowledge, I'm not asking him to be like me. He can never be because he's just a starter.
Right.
But that passion of saying, okay, he's done some homework. Right. It's just not opened my website in the morning at 9 o'clock and got into a cab at 9:30.
Right.
He's done some homework and he knows what to expect and is willing to learn. That is enough for me to take him.
Okay.
That's a very good way of training people to, do better engagements with corporates or agencies.